Hello. Today is the topic of this video review, how to reset a forgotten password in the simplest and easiest way. In this method, there are no obscure actions in the command line, and we will not make any changes in the registry, which not every computer user can then restore. Now I will show you how to reset a forgotten password using a program that is specially created to reanimate your computer and to fix various problems. Usually such programs are used by computer service engineers, and they charge money for it. But this program is free distribution, and you now have the opportunity to reset your password for free. To do this, we need another computer or laptop to download the program, and a USB flash drive of at least 2 GB. Here is the address of the download page. Write it in the address bar of your browser. Here is the download page itself. Here we see the ISO file of the virtual image of Windows 10 for 64-bit operating systems. It contains a number of recovery programs for resuscitating computers. Using Windows P for password reset does not violate property rights laws. Here you can open the FAQ section and read all the information about it. And you can also look at the Microsoft website for more information about Windows P and its use. In particular, it says, Windows P is not a general-purpose operating system. It may not be used for any purpose other than deployment and recovery. It should not be used as a thin client or an embedded operating system. There are other Microsoft products, such as Windows Embedded CE, which may be used for these purposes. We go down the page. Click on the name of the ISO file. The download has begun. If this computer does not have a program for writing ISO images to a USB flash drive, you can download a small free program Rufus, and use it to write an ISO file to a USB flash drive. Rufus does not require installation. It is a multifunctional program, and of course in the future it will be useful for the user of this computer. Here is the download page for Rufus. You will find the link in the description of this video. Here is its interface. Click here. And the program is loaded. Prepare the USB flash drive for recording, and transfer all the necessary data from it to the computer, because during the recording of the ISO file, all data on the USB flash drive will be deleted. This is a standard procedure. I close my browser, and launch Rufus. At the top is my flash drive. Click Select. Now I need to find the ISO file. Mark it. And click Open. Now in the section, Partition Sheet, you need to choose GPT or MBR. For my computer I choose MBR, which you need to choose for your computer. You can find out in my video. The link is in the description of this video. All settings are made, and now you can click Start. Here the program warns that during the recording, all data on the USB flash drive will be completely deleted. I click OK, and the recording began. The flash drive is ready for recording. I connect it to the computer to reset the password, and turn on the computer. Immediately after turning on, we need to call the boot menu to boot the computer from the USB flash drive. To do this, I press the F12 key several times until the boot menu appears. You can have it F8, F9, F11 or another key. I select my USB flash drive in the boot menu. Press Enter. And the virtual image of Windows 10 started loading. Wait 2-3 minutes, until it is fully loaded. Windows 10 has loaded. Now click Start. In the list of programs, select Security, Passwords. Click on the utility with the logo, key. And in the window that opens, click Open. Here you need to find your account name. Mark it. Click Change Password. In this window, you need to write a new password. Write it again. OK. And click Save Changes. The old password is automatically deleted. Now close the utility and turn off the computer. Do not forget to remove the USB flash drive, and now you can turn on the computer. I enter a new password. And now we see that this method works 100%. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.